Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring an abandoned secondary school campus. When I recorded this in around late 2021, it had been abandoned for about a year and we were able to get into, I believe, the woodwork and IT wings. There's also a science wing and I think a gym that I've seen other people were able to get into, but unfortunately we couldn't get into those parts of the campus. The places we were able to explore were still very cool though, and I hope you enjoy the video and make sure to stick around to the end for a pretty intense ending. Yeah. We're actually in. Holy crap. Oh, look at the floor. Woodwork room, you reckon? Whoa. How can they even leave this all behind?
There's an eraser if you want.
An eraser that's still in the packaging.
Wow. There's some salt. Look at that. There's a saw here, mate.
Is this even abandoned, this place?
I don't know. Some of the thing maybe it's not.
Senior bell time's 2020. Okay.
Wow, there's a saw there. Wow. That's really cool.
This is just unbelievable. This can't be abandoned, can it?
What's up?
It says it's permanently closed on Google Maps, actually, so. What?
Of course they'd have it.
Yep. What's up here?
Oh, the heck of a lot. These toys and shit.
Oh.
The boards are pretty creepy. Oh. Look at that, Jack.
That is awesome.
I know.
That's just unbelievable how we've gone here. That's good. That is incredible.
Oh, Jack.
What? Oh, unbelievable. Just a bunch of old papers. $2017. Well, that's good. Yeah, these are old papers. That's good. Someone's sheets. Wow. Unbelievable. I can't believe this.
Looking at it, the welding knife.
Another. Oh, this is awesome. You can tell that it's abandoned because they've taken all the tools at least most of them. And just a random treadmill. That's cool.
That's really cool.
What?
There's a hot set.
Far out. Look at this. I don't know what that is, but what in the world? This is just the coolest place I've ever been.
Wow. Oh my god.
Look at that big thing that says shine. Unbelievable. Okay, some people have gotten in here, but luckily the damage isn't that bad. I'll do my best not to reveal the location because this is mint. Just abandoned enough, but no graffiti at all. Like if you look through here, just unbelievable. The kookaburra. And the fire extinguisher is still there. This is practically untouched. Let me get out of here. Where's Nate? I can't believe this. This is the coolest place I've ever been. I honestly can't believe it. They've literally just left everything behind because of the pandemic. I think. Oh, that is the coolest thing. Look at this window. It's like Art Deco.
Oh,
Circular.
wow.
See some photos here. Still got rubbish.
Jeez.
I can't believe this.
Wow.
This just makes you think, is this even abandoned?
Oh, cobwebs.
Cobwebs?
Oh, so many cobwebs, I don't like it.
And look how this is curved.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Unbelievable. Hang on, just wait up a bit. Hang on. Oh my god. Alright, so this is locked. Pretty cool. That's a shame that's locked. Oh, just be really careful. Ah, no. Yeah. 2019 calendar. There you go. More cobwebs on the ground. Emptied desks. Got a footy and everything. Still a pack of granola bars here. Look at that.
That is incredible.
No food left behind.
There's a can of eggs. No way.
Just piles of books. Oh, thank God. I thought we were going to be stuck just in this one. Alright, so that part we can be seen by the road. Yeah, wow.
Maybe it shut down because of COVID.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. Oh shit. Oh, I was thinking this was homeless person stuff. This is actually just like the drama room or something. This is unbelievable. That's right. Staff only. Oh. Oh, that's awesome. Obviously not this one. And it's not in this part, is it? Or is it? I don't know how that works. Oh, it's just bent. Speakers.
Yeah, I'm feeling there it's still buzzing.
You're kidding. Still some coffee left at the bottom. Oh, unbelievable. What is that? Oh. J. Galea. Mousetraps. Check if there's any dates. Because when masks were required, it was like August last year. So hopefully that's what it's about. What? What board? There should actually be real toilets here. Oh, look at the projector. Oh, okay. The projector's actually gone. So that's good. Is that Nate? Okay, that was Nate. Okay, well, it's good that the projector's actually gone. If it was still here, that'd be concerning. Because they're expensive, mate.
There's a lollipop here. Right.
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
That
Nope. It's just awesome that there's all this here. Hopefully that one's actually open. How did we get there? That's not...
we can get back up.
How did we get down?
We came from the door on the right.
Just a bit of growth. I just have to be really careful of not letting this location get out. Cleanest storeroom. Awesome. Alright, we're back. Yeah, hang on. Just wait for me. That's awesome. You right?
Whoa. So that thing holds the loads.
So there's police near where we parked. So as we were getting out of the building, we noticed a police car had parked next to our car. So obviously we got a bit of a shock and just started pacing around the place, not really knowing what to do. But we eventually accepted our fate and just sort of waited next to the police car for them to come back. Luckily they came back to their car pretty quickly and we got off with a warning. Apparently they had nearly sent the K9 unit to search for us, but luckily we got found just in time. So we just got caught by the police. That was fun. They're actually quite nice though, so that was a bonus. So yeah, that was fun. They didn't tell us to delete anything, so they're gonna go check out the door we came in with. That's just there.
Head off?
Yeah, let's head off. Let's go get some lunch. I'm starving.